how to find the booking history in the UTS mobile application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you or guiding you through the steps of how you can view the book ticket history on the UTS mobile application. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is open your UTS mobile application either on your Android device or iOS devices. So once you have opened your UTS mobile application, the application will be launched, and once the application launches you can see an interface like this. And in this particular interface you need to click onto this journey ticket option, and under here you can see this button that says booking history. So simply click onto this booking history button and it will show you all the booking history that you have already booked with the UTS application. In my case it is currently blank as I have not booked any ticket using the UTS, but in your case it will appear right here. If it doesn't appear, you may try clicking onto this refresh button at the top right, and hopefully your transaction or the booking history will be loaded into this particular application. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.